everyone, welcome back to our fine nursing tutorial YouTube channel. In this class, we'll discuss with very important topic, that is kangaroo mother care. Who all have visited first time on this channel, please do subscribe and watch continue. First, we'll see what is kangaroo mother care. Here, it's a care and it's a method of care for preterm and low birth weight babies. First of all, kangaroo mother care is for the preterm babies and then low birth weight babies. And then low birth weight, that is including less than 2500 grams, and then preterm, that is born, that is less than 37 weeks. Here, components of KMC, kangaroo mother care. What are all the components here? Skin to skin contact will be there, exclusive breastfeeding, and then early discharge and home based care, and then supportive care. These are the components of kangaroo mother care. Next, we'll see the KMC position here. Baby between mother's breast, and then head turned to one side, and then support bottom with hand, and then frog leg position has to be there. This is the kangaroo mother care position. Next, we'll see the indications of kangaroo mother care. Here, best weight to start KMC, that is less than 1800 gram. That is, baby should hemodynamically stable. Weight gain around 2500 grams. Next, we'll see the duration of kangaroo mother care here. Duration as long as possible, ideally minimum 6 to 8 hours per day. And then KMC providing should not be less than 1 hour in a session. That is, it should not be less than 1 hour. And then KMC can be given by mother, father, or other family members. Next, we'll see the very important thing here, benefits of kangaroo mother care for the baby. First, we'll see for the baby. That is, maintains body temperature to prevent hypothermia, and then promotes exclusive breastfeeding, improves weight gain and growth, reduces risk of infection, and also reduces mortality, and then promotes better bonding and emotional security, and then reduces apnea and hypoglycemia. These are the benefits for the baby. Next, we'll see the benefits for mother or family. Here, increases confidence in handling baby, and then enhances bonding and attachment here, and then reduces stress and anxiety. Here it is kangaroo mother care is an economic, that is less hospital stay and less equipment. These are the benefits for baby and the mother or family members. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching.